What's up, guys? It's your girl Costella. Welcome back to Beauty Within. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my aloe vera facial mist. So right here I do have the vitamin E oil. I always put the vitamin E oil in all of my products. I'm going to be using the aloe vera, and this is going to be 100% all natural, guys. I did pick that up from Walmart, and I got the aloe vera, the vitamin E from Amazon, and I just have some distilled water that I picked up from Kroger's. Also in these products is a preservative, which is going to allow your product to actually stay fresh, because when you're adding water into something, you do want to add just a small bit of preservative to keep mold and fungus out of your products. All right. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to funnel the aloe vera into a cup, because it's so much easier to pour inside of the bottles. Those bottles, I got those from Wholesale Supplies, and the spray tops as well. You do have to buy those separate, but I love Wholesale Supplies. They have everything that you need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill these bottles until I'm gonna have about a quarter of the bottle is gonna be empty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these filled, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got those filled. I'm gonna do the same thing. I have a different cup, and I'm just gonna fill that up with the water and just fill the bottles up, not all the way to the top. Just leave a slight bit of room. And these are on our website, beautywithinhealth. .square.site if you want to purchase. So I'm just going to add a few drops of the vitamin E oil. Only add maybe about 1 drop in each bottle. And we're also going to be adding a tad bit of polysorbate into these as well, which is going to allow that oil to mix with those liquids. It's not going to allow it to separate. And then we're going to go in with our cosmetic mica to just give it a little bit of coloring. These can be made without the shimmer. I like shimmer. Every girl that I know likes shimmer. You can spray these on your face. You can spray these on your skin. I use them everywhere. And in both of these, I'm doing 2 different colors. They also they're scented as well. So just for a future blooper mask, what I learned in making it this way, actually make it now in a whole bucket. So that way when I am mixing it and stirring it in the bottle, that mica does not attach to the string of the spray. So I just make it in a bulk size now in a big large container and just pour it on the inside of the bottles. So that definitely was something that I learned in this process. But these are so good for your skin. Aloe vera has a lot of benefits. That vitamin E is great for your skin as well. All that shaking I'm doing, that's why I said it was so much better for me to make them in a larger container. So these are the other colors that I use. Oh my God, this is my favorite. This is my absolute favorite, guys. And I shake them very well to mix the products. I love, love, love these. They keep your skin moisturized, help with those dark circles and those blemishes. I mean, it is amazing. Perfect for the summer, guys. So I want you guys to see that, you see that glistening, and that's from my aloe vera facial spray. Not only do I use it to moisturize my skin, I also use it to set my makeup. I know y'all see that. I know y'all see that. Oh yeah. Listen, get you some of that aloe vera facial spray. Okay, let me show y'all one more time. You can get it without the shimmer. But look, y'all. That's not highlighter. That's not makeup. That is my aloe vera facial spray. Get you some.